Hello everyone, this is a quick video just to let you know that Geeksville, the exhibition layout will be at 2 shows in the next couple of weeks. First one is tomorrow at the Priory School, Bedford Road, Hitchin, the Letchworth Model Railway exhibition. There'll be the short version going there this time, and it'll be the first, so it'll be nice to see everyone. And the following weekend, I believe it's the 3rd and the 4th of August, we are going to the 40th Annual Festival of Model Railways and Hobbies at the Shoeburyness Model Railway Club for their exhibition at Seaglass Thrope Hall School, Wakering Road, Southend on Sea. We shall have the Geeksville extension, so we'll have the full 26-28 foot long oval layout, and we hope to see many of you at both shows. Apart from that, we're looking for some more shows, but we've got a few in the pipeline. But if anyone would like us to take any of the layouts, please come along and see the layout and see what you think. Apart from that, we're just keeping busy, running a few trains, getting a few things ready and sorted. I've ironed out a lot of the problems, and one was haircut, and we're getting there. So heat's getting to us, but it's the summertime, we love it. But I hope to see you all soon, especially at the shows. Take care, and see you in the next video.